We got a backpack for one of my younger youth. We got some markers, a ruler, paper, journals.
So this is our back to school distribution day. My name is Crystal Maldonado. I am the Senior Director of Programs here at Partnerships for Children. It's a well-oiled machine. Thanks to the community, we received so many donations of back to school supplies. Today, the caseworkers are picking up backpacks for elementary, middle school, and high school students.
Okay, you're welcome.
We serve about 400 youth that are connected to foster care.
I am a caseworker. I think it's so helpful that we're just able to help in these ways because they're really things that they need.
14 boys, 11 girls. We are grabbing backpacks for the kiddos so they have a wonderful first day of school. I'm Michelle and I'm with National Charity League.
We want them to feel like prepared and ready for this back to school chapter.
Have a great first day, school kiddos.